Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to create Outlook desktop app shortcut for your PC. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So we're gonna use two methods. The first method, we're gonna create shortcut in your computer. And the second method, we're gonna create shortcut using internet browser. So when you open the internet browser, it will immediately open the Outlook website. So for your computer, you can go to your start button here, and then you can search for Outlook, and then in this app you can right click, and as you can see you have two options to pin to start or pin to taskbar. So if you click pin to taskbar, it will automatically open or appear in this navigation, in the bottom navigation. So whenever you open or you start your computer, it will automatically appear here, and you can just click it, so it will be faster. And also you can pin to start. So when you open the start button, and it will appear in your start menu. So I recommend you to pin it to taskbar so it will be easier. And then the second method, we can go to your internet browser, and then you can open outlook.com, and in the website, in the tab bar here, you can right click, and as you can see, you can choose to pin this website. So you can click pin, and it will be like this. So whenever you open the browser, it will automatically open the Outlook website. So it will be easier for you to access Outlook website. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.